Hi everyone, hope all is well. This video does not have a proper intro or outro, so I'm just going to say that thank you for watching the video and let's get started. Because I'm on this journey of bringing healthier choices into the apartment as far as food is concerned, I want you to know that I was able to pick up some stuff, and I only got this stuff because it was on markdown. So the cuties were almost $2 for a 3-pound bag. The pomegranates, which are so good, were 96 cents. And the avocados were 33 cents. And the Patti LaBelle sweet potato pie, they were $1.49 each. So this is the one that we have been working on. I'm going to freeze that one, and then we'll have this one that we'll continue to work on. So I did have a slice for lunch earlier today, and then that's what I really want to say about things that I brought in. And I'm trying to maybe go ahead and work on eating everything that I have in the apartment now. When I did inventory on the groceries that I have, I realized that I have enough to make meals maybe to last the rest of January. So I don't really plan on grocery shopping, and I didn't plan on grocery shopping for these items, but I found that they were on really good sales, so that's how come I got those. But other than that, I will not be buying anything. I don't have to buy groceries for probably the rest of January, so I'm gonna try not to. I did go ahead and get these items only because they were really good price, and I normally would have tried to stray away from the Patti LaBelle pie, but I can't really pass up $3 for 2 whole pies. So like I said, I guess I'll freeze that one if I don't get around to it, only because my granddaughters are coming over. My youngest granddaughter of the only two that I have, her birthday's coming up. And so when they come over, I'm probably gonna have them sleep over or spend a long day with me, and then we're gonna need snacks, we're gonna need food. So hopefully between that, some of the fruit that I had prior to buying this batch of cuties would be could get eaten up, and apples that I bought also. So I'm gonna end this video with bits and pieces of a cooking clip.
Hi. What are we doing here?
So right now I just got the wok out. I put some extra virgin olive oil in it, some of this sesame seed oil, which makes the food smell great, and soy sauce. And this is what it looks like in the pan. And now I'm just cutting up the cabbage. Oh, I cut up an onion in it, and then cut up some garlic. And now I'm going to chop this up and finish this stir frying it. Not sure if I'm going to add any shrimp in it or not. I may cut up a few pieces of shrimp and put in it though, just for the heck of it. I typically love it with just the cabbage and onion. Take a break. You can only smell it. It smells so good.